Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone not showing up in iTunes. Is your iPhone failing to appear in iTunes on your Windows 10 or 11? Whether you are attempting to sync or back up your device using iTunes, it can be indirectly frustrating when your iPhone is not recognized. This issue is common among users and several effective solutions can help resolve it. In this video I'll tell you how can you fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So first, ensure your iPhone is unlocked. If you see a message on your lock screen saying unlock iPhone to use accessories, when you connect your device to your PC, this is likely the issue. Unlocking your iPhone by entering your passcode or using Face ID or Touch ID can resolve this problem and allow it to be detected by iTunes. And the next step is make the iPhone trust this computer. For your iPhone to connect to iTunes, it must be trust the computer it's connected to. If this step is missed, iTunes won't recognize your device. Simply disconnect your iPhone from your computer, then reconnect it. Unlock your iPhone and wait for the prompt on your screen asking trust this computer. Tap the trust and enter your passcode if prompted. Check if your iPhone now appears in iTunes. And the next step is reset location and privacy settings. Setting your location and privacy settings can refresh the trust relationship between your iPhone and computer, resolving the detection issue. Disconnect your iPhone from your computer and then on your iPhone open the settings app. Next, scroll down and go to general option. Next, scroll down to the bottom and choose transfer or reset iPhone. Next, choose reset. Here you will see the option of reset location and privacy. Tap on it. It will ask you to enter your passcode. So enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instructions to reset location and privacy settings. And then reconnect your iPhone and look for the trust prompt again. And you are done. And the next step is restart your iPhone and computer. Restarting your devices can clear temporary glitches and might be causing connectivity issue. Start your iPhone by press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with volume down button and press the power button. Next, a slider will appear, so slide to power off and then wait for some time, and after some time press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. For your PC, click on the start menu and select restart. Once both devices are powered back on, reconnect your iPhone and check if it appears in iTunes. And the next step is update or reinstall iTunes. Using an outdated version of the iTunes can cause compatibility issues with your iPhone. In iTunes, click on Help in the menu bar and select Check for updates and follow the on-screen prompts to install any available update. If iTunes is up to date but still not recognizing your iPhone, uninstall it through the window control panel, then download and reinstall it from the Apple website or Microsoft Store. After reinstalling iTunes, reconnect your iPhone and check for detection. And the next step is update your iPhone and computer. If the issue persists, try updating your iPhone and computer to the latest versions. On your iPhone, go to settings, scroll down and go to general option and choose software update to check for and install any available update, and you are done. And on your computer, go to settings, choose update and security and check for updates. After updating both devices, reconnect your iPhone and check if it appears in the iTunes. Updating your device may resolve the issue but can take some time. I hope you find this video helpful, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.